Coaching illness and loss of identity. Our identity is how we define ourselves. This may be influenced by our age, community, culture, and family. It usually ties in with how we look, our value systems, beliefs, how we act, and our enjoyments. We also define ourselves by our line of work. So often, who you are is summarized by what you do.
Identity is fragile, though. Most of us are pulled away at some point from who we are by a life-changing event. Chronic illness can leave many of us experiencing a loss of physical capability and an alteration in physical appearance. Both often lead us to not feeling like the person we once were. It begins to feel like we've lost our place in the world. Activities we routinely performed are no longer an option due to reductions in strength and energy levels. Consequently, careers get derailed, hobbies abandoned, and social lives evaporate. All of this has an adverse impact on our self-esteem as we stumble through periods of uncertainty and confusion.
Through the course of our work, research, and personal experience, we have seen that there are ways to re-establish your sense of self. In fact, post-traumatic growth may allow you to feel more empowered than you had previously. Here are some ideas which can help facilitate this. We have several more ideas we would like to share with you. Before doing so though, we ask if you could support this channel by clicking on the subscribe button and hitting the notification bell.
This will ensure that the channel gets boosted in the YouTube algorithm and more people will be able to access the information. Now, back to the remaining ideas and suggestions.
Here are 7 solutions for rebuilding identity during chronic illness. Number 1 is the best possible self. Commonly a positive psychology exercise used to enhance well-being and optimism. This is an effective way to establish your greater life vision. Make notes on what you could be within the next 2 years. What would your life look like? What would it include? Which people would you be surrounded by? What would you be doing? And what would you realistically like to aim for?
Number 2, take stock of your resources. Even if you're operating at a diminished capacity, there are resource options you will probably still have at your disposal. Consider your access to knowledge, support, community, finances, or access to technology. Making a list of these can empower you to get to who you wish to become.
Number 3, operate within your energy levels. With chronic illness, the chances are that your ability to function is going to be limited for significant parts of the day. Pain, weakness, or fatigue may necessitate you remaining inactive for hours at a time. Make allowances for this and base any activities you need to do on the times when you are likely to feel more functional.
Number 4, establish a routine. Once you become aware of how many hours in the day you can operate efficiently, set up a simple routine which you can effectively manage. This will require you to prioritize activities which are vital and minimize those which will get in your way. For many of us, such a routine may be only a few hours a day. Doing so will help you formulate daily patterns of behavior which will move you forward.
Number 5 is to learn a new skill. This could include anything which interests you and easily incorporate into your routine. Interests vary greatly. In my own case, I spent months on the couch studying to become a certified personal fitness trainer. This consisted of an hour each day reading and watching videos. The resources are limitless and can range from audiobooks to online courses and YouTube videos.
Number 6, abbreviate and modify activities. Even at the best of times, your strength and energy levels may be compromised. Alterations may need to be made and activities shortened. For example, having a reduced concentration span may require you to substitute half an hour of reading with 15 minutes of listening to a podcast. It's about progress, not perfection.
Number 7, surround yourself with the right people. Think about the kind of people that you would need to be around in order to help you rebuild the identity that you want. For many illness sufferers, social activities may be off the cards. However, online communities are a viable alternative to this. Also consider finding a mentor who is the closest to that ideal self that you're aiming for. They know what it takes for you to get there. We hope that you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Did you like the ideas? Do you have any ideas of your own? Is there anything different which you would like to see us cover?
If you like what you've heard, we ask you to support this channel by clicking the thumbs up on this video and hitting the subscribe button. Please also use the share button to pass this information around to anyone who may benefit from it.
Check out the written blog version of this video by clicking the link below and visiting our website. You can also find us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter under Empower Illness Coaching. To find out more about who we are, feel free to visit the video about our illness journey.